How to turn on dark mode on Facebook. This tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can easily turn on dark mode on your Facebook app. If you have downloaded your app just now, or you have updated it or reinstalled it, then it will set your Facebook to light mode by default. So I'm just going to open my app here, and as you can see, it is right now on light mode, even though my phone is on dark mode. As you can see right here, it's on dark mode. And what you want to do to bring it to dark mode as well is you just tap on the three dash at the top right. It will bring you to your menu section. Just scroll down and find your settings and privacy. Just tap on settings. Now, once your settings is open, just scroll down under preferences. You can find dark mode right here. And here are two options actually. You can always keep it on or use system settings. So what this option will do is, if my phone is on dark mode, Facebook will also be on dark mode. But if I change my system setting to light mode, if I just turn off my dark mode right here, Facebook will be a light again. So if I just turn it on back to dark mode, it will turn back to dark mode. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.